Hi, my name is Buster Birch, and I'm here today with my friend Sue Richardson, who's one of the UK's top jazz trumpet players.
Hi.
Hi, Sue. Thanks for coming along. She's toured all over the UK with her fantastic show dedicated to Chet Baker and other projects. So do check out her website. You can find out more about Sue's work and her projects. She's going to be playing some of the content from my new book, which is Beginner Jazz Soloing. It's published by Fundamental Changes and it's available worldwide from Amazon and for download on Kindle. Thanks for coming along, Sue. Looking forward to hearing some of the excerpts.
Thanks.
That was not too bad, was it?
That was good.
Wow, Sue, thank you very much for coming along. That sounded fantastic.
Thanks.
It was really great to hear all that music play so beautifully. So as you can see, there's a lot of content in the book, and it starts very simple with just call and response using one note. And if you can play one note on your trumpet and listen and play along, then you can use this book. And we build it up from there. We use to 5 notes. We have a minor pentatonic scale. We work through some scale pattern exercises. There's some stock rhythms built in, which are really useful to develop your jazz phrasing. We work on question and answer phrases, and then there's lots of backing tracks to play along in different styles: bossa novas, swing, blues. There's some funk tunes in there. There's a pop tune as well, and then there's some compositions. So as you can see here from that, Sue was demonstrating the exercises, but also showing you where that leads up to. So starting from very small, working through small steps, we develop up to this idea of composing and improvising using just the same 5 notes throughout the whole book. And I think we could hear what's possible with that. And thanks, Sue. That was really great.
It sounds really effective, doesn't it?
Thank you.
I've really enjoyed using Buster's book, The Beginner's Jazz Solo for Trumpet. I love how it goes right from the beginning, so all you need to play is one note, and it's so important that he sets out the really important bits of using your ear, working on some rhythm, and then working up to putting those small ideas into one big solo, which really works well, and it's such an easy way into soloing.